Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be continuing our palette journey. If you are new to this channel, we are doing a palette journey, which means we are using every single palette I own to create a look. So today we are going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Cyber palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look on my eyes, then just stay tuned. Okay, so starting this look off, I'm taking the shade Bite, which is the orange in the palette right here. And that is just gonna go on the outer portion of our eye. Next, I'm going in with Gadget, which is that pinky kind of nude shade in the palette. Picking up a little bit of that, and I'm going to blend the top of this out. All right, so now going in with Call IT, which is that pink kind of shimmery metallic. I am just gonna place this on my lid area. And to kind of further blend that orange with that pink shade, I'm taking Electrode, which is more orangey than that shade. We are just going to place that right in there, just a little bit, just to help those two blend together a little bit more. All right, so now I'm going to step into the Sugar High palette by Menagerie Cosmetics. I am just gonna take sugar cube up here, and that is gonna go right into the inner corner area. There really isn't a pink like that in here, so I wanted to use this one. And I'm just gonna place that right into the inner corner. And then we will jump back into this palette right here and take Virtual. And I'm just going to kind of blend this right here at the front of the eye. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take a mixture of Not a Bot and Static. Static is more silver and Not a Bot is more pewter. I'm gonna mix those two together and place those right into the inner corner as an inner corner highlight. And then I really wanted that lower lash line area to have its own kind of moment. So I am taking Pouch Protective in that Menagerie Cosmetics palette, and I'm just going to place that all down here. Now for the liner, I'm gonna go in with Half Magic Beauty's Wild Caught. This is the Chrome Addiction Liner Paint, and I am just going to do some crazy liner. Okay, so starting at the front of the eye, I'm just going to take it and swoop it around, but not connect it to anything. Like so. I might go over that again just so it's really opaque. And then we're just going to do a little squiggly line down here. All right, so I don't own like a super opaque, great silver liner. So I am gonna take, where did it go? So I am gonna take my Mayron Paradise Paint palette. This is a 30 color palette. It's really messy, you guys. I use it all the time, but there's a really pretty silver opaque paint in here, and I'm going to use it as liner today. So these are water activated. I'm just going to squirt that a little bit with some water, and we will create some more squiggly lines for this look. And then I'm going to go back over top of that silver liner with this Romantic Beauty glitter liner, and it's going to really give it some glitz. All right, so now I'm gonna take these face gems by Half Magic Beauty, and we're just going to apply some gems to this look. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara, and then we are going to apply some Lilac Street lashes. I have 12 millimeter, 16 millimeter, and 14 millimeter lashes. These are individual lashes, and I'm going to be applying mainly the 16 millimeter ones way out here because they're the longest, maybe a few little 14 millimeters, and then 1 or 2 12. I am going to do my lips, and I'll be right back with the final look. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.